Hi guys, welcome to Art Smart. Today we are going to learn how to draw Finding Dory. Actually, we are going to learn how to draw Dory. So firstly, I'm using an HB pencil. As you can see, I'm using an HB pencil and this is by the company Camlin. So we will first draw an outline of the fish. So let us start. There's a curve that goes here and there's a slight bump on its head. So we make the slight bump followed by its body right there with its fin ending at the back. There are few waves here like a tree, and then we come to the place we started, followed by making its mouth. It has a smiling face in the one that I'm drawing. That's right. Now we draw the lower part of the lip and we connect it to the fin at the back, like so. We have got a rough outline of Dory. Now let us make the eyes. The eyes of Dory are completely round, so we go with the round here. And since this part is not very visible, it's like a semicircle. Ensure that this is of the same size, and then we draw the upper fin of Dory, which goes like somewhat like a rectangle. See, I just messed it up a little here, so I'm using an eraser to erase it and just draw a very fine line. This is a little extra extended towards the end, so I redraw this like so. Next, we draw the lower fin of Dory, and it's somewhat triangulish, right? Now we are going to draw the details. We are going to go into the details of its drawing. There's an eyebrow here which goes with its black part. We just part it like so. It's a little wider here, which got a little narrow, so I'm rubbing it off. And now I'll be drawing a kind of an S shape till here. Draw fin again. So this is again of somewhat a triangular shape. That's right. And then I just connect it till the end of the tail, like to the tail basically, with a kind of a ellipse over here. And then I just draw the details a little. That's right. Now we draw the face. We just have to complete it by finishing this. Now there is detailing over here. We'll come to this a little later. Let us just first detail the eyes. So this was the part of the eyebrow. We draw a slight lining over here as well, and we just give the eyes its details. The wider the eyes, the more excited Dory looks. So we just make little wider eyes on both the sides. Yeah. And we just color it for the time being. Now I just noticed that my Dory needs to be a little more sharper, so I just curtail this down. I rub this area to just rectify it, and now I will be just making it a little more sleeker, right? This looks much more similar, so be careful of that. Don't make the same mistake as I did. And now we are again going to draw its eye. That's right, with its eyeball. As I told you, the wider and the bigger the eyeball, the more excited the character will look. And we just color it. Since it's on the side, so we try to taper it off as much as we can, like so. And then we just do the detailings of Dory. Let us start with the mouth. There's a slight lining here and it ends like so. Just ensure that all the lines are very even throughout so that you can get a good picture. and now we are going to draw its tongue, followed by a little bump that's here, and those small detailings that will make the character look much more enhanced. This is just meant for enhancement, which will make your character look full of life, and it will look much more animated and much more detailed. That's right. Now we are basically done with the main sketch or the main skeleton of the character. Now let us just outline this. For this I am using a marker. So we just outline the character to give it a lot of definition. I first drew with the pencil so that I can rectify all the errors I make while drawing. I would suggest the same to you. And I'm just outlining all that we drew. This won't take much time, and it will make the character look much more fine, and it will add a lot of, it will basically make it look much more defined and clearer. So there the details go. I'm just coloring this a little. Next, this entire part that I just drew here, the boundary beside the, like behind it, is supposed to be completely black. I'm not doing it with the marker, I'll be coloring that. And now I draw the eyes. Since there is very little gap over here, I'm leaving a very little slight gap. And then we just complete the upper fin, and we end it by connecting its tail. Now we draw this little part here, and we just finish this by ending this. Now I'm going to color this drawing, and we are going to follow a color scheme like the color scheme of Dory. So let us see how it goes like. Now this portion is completely blue, so I will be taking a blue color to color it, and using pastel crayons, because pastel crayons give your picture lot of depth in its color, so it will make the picture look much more brighter. I'm just trying and finding the right color for it. Let me see where I can find it. I hope you can recognize the drawing very nicely. It's quite clear for sure. I think this blue should match, though it's not a perfect match. Let us first give it its base, and then accordingly we can alter the color. So I'm going to color it. I'm not very happy with the color. I think I should just make it a little darker. I'm just trying to find, I have so many colors here. I just need to find how about this? This is also dull. Let's check this out. This is sort of purplish. I think this is the closest match that I can find to the drawing. रिदमा तुम क्या पूरा बर्बाद कर दी. Sorry. I was recording, like, how will I edit that? Stop it.